Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both ends ready. Charge the AirPods and open the case so they're discoverable. On your Windows PC, open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Click Add Device and choose Bluetooth to begin scanning. You do this because AirPods appear only while the case is open. Windows needs an active scan to see the pairing broadcast. Once done, keep the window active so pairing can proceed without timing out. With the Add Device dialog open, press and hold the AirPods case button until the status light flashes white. That puts them in pairing mode. Once the name shows up in Windows as AirPods, click it to initiate the handshake. Windows uses standard Bluetooth profiles to set audio and mic routes. Make sure you don't move too far away. Keep the case near the PC. After a short pause, Windows will report connected. Do not close anything until you see that confirmation. Once connected, open Sound Settings and set your AirPods as the default playback and recording device so apps use them automatically. Play a short audio clip and run the voice recorder to verify both audio and microphone work. This confirms correct profiles were selected. If audio is missing or they won't reconnect, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until amber then white. Remove the device from Windows Bluetooth list and pair again. This resolves most state conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.